Dalang ma-check ninyo. Alive na to. Okay.
Yes. Ay, ito. Email ako. Yes.
Just go and try to live your life. Just seize the day and enjoy your life. It is a gift, give it a try. It's so worthwhile. Just breathe and smile. Life is so awesome. Life is so good. It is a gift from above. Life is so beautiful, so wonderful. God bless your life and bless your soul. Just come try to live your life. Just seize the day and enjoy your life. It is a gift, give it a try. It's so worthwhile. Just breathe and smile. Life is exciting. Life is a blessing. God may entrust you everything. Your understanding is so amazing. We love you more than anything. Just go try to live your life. Just seize the day and enjoy your life. It is a gift, give it a try. It's so worthwhile. Just breathe and smile. It's all worthwhile. Just breathe and smile. Just go and try to live your life. Just seize the day.
Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the
Hello.
Corn Club. Are you sleepy or are you still awake?
Still awake.
Yeah, so we'll do introductions. Have you prepared your introductions? I think we
What?
forgot. There.
Oh my, there's an introduction.
I'll be the one. I'm Tina Light Sparkle for tonight, and I'm ano ba? Basta, I'm Tina Light Sparkle, and I'm an Access Bars facilitator. And at the same time, I am the co-owner of Angels and Crystals, and also, of course, a DXN distributor. Next.
Serious? Ay,
May
Wala lang.
ganon.
Naning mong tuan.
serious.
Nakapagod ako ang intro, Zay. Mo na, serious.
Sige, ako sunod.
Okay, Zay has one, I think.
Yes, I am Zai. First of my name. Queen of Artsy Quartzy, star agent of TXN, power girl of Mystic Angel, and Usa ba ba ko?
What more?
Who am I to say? I am a Christologist.
Tayong dalawa na astrologist.
It's not so fairy. It's so pixie.
Pixie
angel.
fairy angel.
Okay. I was a Christologist and pixie angel yesterday. And I am an access bar facilitator.
Yeah.
Og unsa pa? Og gwapa lang. And I,
Yes.
thank you.
Yay!
Ay, hindi. Ako din si Unicorn. Ano to? Ano to kong name? Silver Moon?
So,
Yeah. Silver Moon.
Sige, who wants to go next? Hello to our viewers. Hello, Kimberly. Hello, the Aprio. And yan. Hello to Jose. So, who wants to go next from the guests?
I want to know our guest.
Yeah, so true. We have 5 guests tonight, whatever. How do you want to call it? So, introduction lang, short lang. Anything that you can think of. Like, how will you? Tita Jenny, would you like to?
Hello, Ati Ayi. Hello, Ati Ayi, RJ, and Vanene.
yes.
Tara.
Hi, everything. For tonight, I'm Jeannie Rarity. Financial analyst sa umaga, sa gabi. Sa gabi, angel card reader, access bars, practitioner.
Sa hapon.
Sa hapon, yaya. Pero ngayong gabi, ako ay isang baklang unicorn.
Yay! Thank you for that introduction. Let's congratulate Ate Jenny. She just got her angel card reading certificate. So now she's an ambassador for PH. Yay! Congratulations. Next, who would love to go next? Sige, I will just give the intro for Avi, the Avi Salam of Zigrates. I will do the intro for her because she cannot speak right now. I am Avi Sala of Zigrate Lands, tamer of 5 fur babies, hunter of caffeine, lifter of heavyweights and cardio. Let's welcome Avi Sala of Great Lands.
Yay!
Wala pa effect in the future, maybe we will have them. So next, we will have Ate Rio.
Oh, pinaghandaan ko to.
Oh, ako lang.
Pero pwede mo basahin ko muna? Sabay ganun.
Basahin
Hello
mo lang.
everyone, it's nice to see you here again. And my name is Rio Ringo, and I'm Unicorn. Yee! I'm part of this club. I think I am magical. That's all I can say. Yun lang.
For that share and introduction, Ate Rio. Yay! Next, we have Banene. Can you speak? Sure.
Hello, I'm Happy Bean Laoy. Tapos, unsa man ako isultitin?
Hello, Happy Bean.
Hello, good evening. This is my first time.
It's okay. And it's nice to see you and meet. Good evening to everyone. And yeah, would you like to, okay lang? Kato lang? Sa?
O kato lang sa
Kakit ni Mumia. Sige, sige. Happy Bean. It's just Happy Bean tonight. Okay?
yes.
And good evening to our viewers, Jose Cosino, and Vane Villanueva. And of course, we will now have Libnis introduction.
Wala ko kabalon sa mga nasudlan ba.
Actually, ngun ano pagkita nandere, sige lang.
Hi, I am Unicorn Princess.
Hey.
Ano yan? Role?
Hello,
Any,
hello, Unicorn Princess.
I make yummiest crinkles.
yeah, she makes the yummiest crinkles here in Davao City.
Yes, an Oreo cheesecake cookies.
Yeah.
Ano pa sabihin?
Anything.
I am a mother of 2 adorable little children, and the other one is just behind me. And yes, I think madami man akong role. Pag umaga, nagatrabaho. Pag kagabi, nagananay. Pag pinakagabi, madaming racket dyan.
Yeah.
The weekend delivery girl.
Weekend. Pero masaya. Thank you so much. Ayun.
Nice to meet you and nice to have you here, Libni. Unicorn Princess. Unicorn Princess tonight. Hello to Darlene who is watching us and will help us moderate our, Facebook live. We are actually cross-posting in Mystic Angels and I will check if meron ba.
I am checking Mystic Angels. Ako tubag-tubag din eh.
Magtubag sis. I will check the Mystic Angels.
Hello,
Okay.
Cherry
So-
Blues.
What?
Hello kay
si-
Ate Sherry.
hello to Cheryl Arliano who's watching us. So Darlene is saying, I love the Oreo cream cheese cookies. Yay! So yeah, tonight, so tonight, what are we talking about? Well, actually, ano ba topic natin? For the first pilot episode, we really didn't have any, specific topic. But also tonight, I asked Zai, do we have a topic? And still, nothing came up. So tonight, we will just be saying hello and ask any questions about life, love, rituals. If you want to ask us what we do, like, witchy rituals, do we still do that? Anything, self-mastery practices. If you want to ask us, about experience, you can also.
Kuan. Katong
Hello, Jason.
Hello, Jason. About the frontliners. If the announcement ito,
Yes,
if
we have an
someone
announcement.
for the frontliners, like sige, ikaw na continue siya niyo. Okay, sige to. Okay, so sa mga frontliners who would like to learn about sunya meditation kasi it's really needed. Like we saw a post about DOH gina-push nila or is it push or na sila campaign about meditation for frontliners. So if you are interested, if you're a frontliner or if you know someone or anyone, but this one is a call for frontliners. If you want to join or if you want to learn more about Sunya meditation, you just don't hesitate to call upon the Fox tribe. Just contact Tina or contact Tina Sparkle, Tina Light Sparkle, or the XN Fox tribe. Or
Or
Mystic Angel.
Zai. Yeah, or Mystic
Yeah.
Angels or Zai. I think we have
Yes.
someone from each of them. Di ba we
Yeah,
have
pwede
someone
pa
from the
confirm kay Unicorn Princess.
Unicorn?
Yung ano, DOH.
I don't know. We saw a post about it. So it's about meditation.
I-forward naman mo ha.
But actually, we're really offering our Sunya meditation classes. We can do it for your organizations, and you can just message us. We can do it on Zoom. It's for free. We're not gonna charge you anything. We just want everybody to do the meditation daily, in so that it can support you. And the wonderful thing about Sunya meditation is it's not just supporting you in the mental health aspect. It will also help your immune system. So yan yung kanya long-term advantage. You're doing the Sunya. Okay, so
Yes.
yon, and it's wonderful to start now. It's the easiest meditation so far. So, meron ba tayong mga question?
Question
Okay.
from the
Aisha,
panelists.
do you have
Meron
any
question mga kasama tonight.
Yes. Do you have any questions like about life, love, usapang pag-ibig? Kanang ulit ka ba ng usapang pag-ibig? Charot lang. What anything you want to
Okay, so questions? Nabay questions sa Fox Tribe.
Fox Tribe, nothing. They're just, saying hello. Hello, Jason. Again, we would like to congratulate all the new Angel Card readers who graduated yesterday. There were 18 of them, and we now have a total of 88 Angel Card readers that were certified by Mother P. So this will make our, life, not really, our work easier because that is why we call it light work, because many hands light work, meaning pag marami tayong nagtulong-tulong and we help each other out, our work is also lighter in a sense that magaan din siya. So yun, hindi lang liwanag kundi magaan. So yun. Okay, so there's an anonymous question. How to move on from an unrequited, saan pag-pronounce? Unrequited
Unrequited.
love?
Unrequited love.
Either or, tomato, tomato.
Guys, how to move on daw, guys, please. Someone who's not loving him or her back.
Mag-order
Okay,
ng
guys,
gacha milk tea. Buy one, take one. Sere.
Yes, that is one of the ways. And you can also eat an order from Libny's Crinkles. Because you really have.
Yes, because there's what you call stages of moving on. Sere. First is you wallow on the feeling of being hurt. So you eat.
Yeah.
So you order milk tea, you order Libnis, crinkles, durian float, mango float from Mami Zai, like that. Because you really have to feel the feels. Like if you feel low, you have to go low and really feel the hurts. That's what I have learned in Emotions Anonymous every Saturday, and also with Sarah's Spiral one-on-one session, because you have to feel and be whole, experience the wholeness of life. So because when you know how it is to be hurt or not to be loved, it will give you wisdom as well of what or how you can offer first to yourself and then to everyone around you. Yes. And then after that, love yourself. Focus on on loving yourself. And then when you love yourself, learning a lot of things after eating all the sweets in the world, and filling yourself with lots of skills, knowledge, and self-care, then your cup is full. And eventually the love will just come. The love that you deserve. Charette, Pancit, I have spoken.
Yay! For that input, Genie Rarity. That's an awesome input. Actually, very wholeness. Feel the feelings first, and then release them, feel and release, and then of course focus on the self. Yon. So, how about the others? What do you suggest? Teka lang, kailan ba ako nag-move on? Charot lang. Di na ako remember.
Yee!
Share.
Sige, Ate Ria. Would you like?
I wanna hear. I wanna hear it.
You wanna hear. So, siguro pa ba? Well, since unrequited love siya, I wouldn't waste time on someone who won't love me back. So, 'di ba? So, dili ra ko makuan kay wala man siya na in love sa ako, so di kay ko ma-move on. So that's me, okay? Kay wa man siya naka-love sa ako so dili ra ko. Okay ra, kanang muhawa ra pud ko.
Very guwapa ka dad.
Yes, guwapa ko. I left.
I'm not even
Pero agree ko kay Genie.
Sige. If you've experienced that, do tell.
Yeah, I feel mo lang for a while. Ano man yan siya, part siya ng life. Tapos you just move on. Kaya, di ba? You don't drown.
how do you what that
You don't drown by jumping in the water. You drown by staying there.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
Yun.
I love that.
So it's, just
True,
move
true.
on. Kay guwapa ka.
Diba?
Wala
Move
akong
on.
Of course. Yes, you are.
And then just keep busy, It's all part of being whole, feeling it, then moving on after, and learning from it. Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, true. And there's no like surefire way to do it. I love to listen to the script, yung 6 Degrees of Separation.
Oh my, I love that too. Yes.
Are recommending you to listen to the 6 Degrees of Separation kasi yan din ang stages. If
One, you're
you're
like a dream. Ay, iba pala yun.
no, 5, 4, 3, ano to? Okay. Let the dream come true too. Just wanna you. Sige, Grace was raising her hand. So Avi is saying, allow friends to just surround you. Yeah, visit us, message the Fox Tribe. Charot. So si Zai, you have something to say? Zai? Okay, wala pa si Zai. How about you, Vanene? Would you like to share?
Yeah. Hi. Sa access lang gihapon kay Simone. So what if you destroy and uncreate all the relationships you created in this lifetime so far? So destroy and uncreate what you were yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So awesome. Diba? If today ayaw niya sa'yo, so destroy and uncreate, baka tomorrow gusto niya. Joke lang.
I keep on destroying and then creating everything.
Yeah, so true.
Diba?
10 seconds also.
Yeah.
So yeah, an awesome tool. So I hope our anonymous questioner, our anonymous friend there got awesome input. So next we have another question. Unsa imong pilion? Guwapo nga pobre or dato pero dili guwapo? Guys. Sige, alam mo dira. Okay, question. Dili lang ko mag-lock sa akong sarili by having. Kay God, good akong gusto, guys. Charot. So, yun. Sabi na, bitaw. Anybody who would like to answer the question? Guwapo nga pobre or dato pero dili guwapo? From our viewer, Vanessa Villanueva.
It's fun for you. What's your truth?
So true,
What's
so true.
life for you?
What is fun for you and what is light for you? Yeah, we cannot actually, for me personally, I cannot say who will I choose unless he, arrives in front of me. So then I will choose by my feelings if he or she he is light for you or yeah, fun for you. If both of you can, contribute to each other, yeah, I feel that's a better choice for me. So for the rest, who would like to answer the question? Same.
Yes, agree with that. What's light for you? Because you'll never know. Like me before, I have like standards, charette. like this and that, matangkad, mura jug, 6 foot would go no, char. Like stuff like that. It has to be intelligent. But then when that happens in a particular time or circumstance, sometimes you just give in to love or give people chances. But over the years, what I learned is that um, when the red flags are there, believe it. So red flags are also heavy. So that means those are lies. And if the person's presence or energy is really um, heavy, so don't go for it. And personally, I've also I know experienced that going beyond the looks and what the person actually owes or something, because I believe that relationships will empower each other. So regardless of what they have now or what they look now, in the future when that relationship is fulfilling or empowering and all, that can transcend looks or material stuff, because soulful connection is important for me. So that's it. So now I learned that whoever is light, go sa go. Hot Italian guy man yan or Filipino. Charot. Yun lang po.
Sige. Perfect. I love the share. I love the share. So Avi is asking, ang pangutana buutan ba daw? Sige, diba? So,
Yes.
answered your question, diba? Na gwapo nga pobre or dato pero dili gwapo. Okay, so Avi here is asking, for the angel card readers, how often should you read yourself?
Kasi bagong graduate lang kami. Yeah, sabi ni Mother P, just to establish creating a habit and being attuned with the angels or our intuition. So we have to do it 21 days straight. So be it on ourselves or other people. But for me personally, when I asked others to read, and I think it will also go the same kasi ngayon lang ako na-certified din, is when really parang I'm stuck, because there are moments na stuck ka, you don't know what to do, and really we need the divine guidance or so. Kasi siguro babaw ang pagka-human natin na we're into our heads. So we need the divine guidance. So pag hindi ko na kaya or when I'm stuck or when I'm lost, that's when I ask for help or so from other people. Like si Miss Tina is really a good angel card reader as well. Our mom Shizai, based on what how I've experienced their readings. Sa new graduates lang yun ha, but I don't know with the seasoned ones like our Shifu here.
Yeah, so ano ba ang ating me actually before when I was also starting, I also read often for myself. Especially romance deck. I think laspag na kayo siya, but I haven't been myself for almost 2 years now. Wala na ako nag-read for
Oh,
myself. So, murag, dili na kay ko.
wow.
Charot lang. Pero sa una, sige, gid na luoy kay na ako ang romance deck kanang every night. But I feel, again, it's going for what's life for you, what's fun for you. There's also a phase like I use my deck to affirm me about what I want to hear, not what the angels give me. So, usahay useless po siya if I have an expectation with the answer. Like, for example, I would ask, siya na ba? Tapos ang tubag sa iya kay red flag. Wala, dili man. Uy, usabo na to. Mali ni.
Delete to
Sapa siya.
red.
Oh, dili ko na. Dili ko na. Pink lang na flag. So, I'll try to. So, again, yun pa rin. So, si Avi, yes, there's another workshop coming. So let's be we will keep you up to date for the next class. So anybody would like to answer that? Zai or Libni? Yes, Unicorn Princess and Zai.
Ako pa itong, yung nag-angel card reading kasi sabay din kami ni Zai before. Actually, hindi ko talaga siya na-absorb. Mga after 2 years ko pa siya na-apply sa life ko. So parang hindi ko masyadong siya gets anong ginagawa ko ba. Tapos after 2 years, parang may time na talaga na parang kailangan ko na ng tool to get more deeper sa self ko. So doon ko na siya na-apply na parang naging ko siyang way para mas ma-affirm nga ang sarili ko. So yeah, it helped me. I didn't do it for anybody. I did it for myself lang, Jud. Like, it's, kaya parang kung wala akong kausap, doon ako nagtatakbo ba na. Parang it helps me na parang maging mas positive nga. Tapos, mas affirmation talaga. So, it has been a tool for me to parang level up ba. Yang, kailangan kasi natin ng somehow ng encouragement. And sometimes you don't get it from anybody else ba. So I just use the cards whenever I really need it the most ba. Then most of the time it really helped me a lot. And after that, doon na ako nakuha ng mga clients kay parang gina-share ko na sa kanila na ito ang help sa akin. Because I'm more on giving kasi. So people responded that way ba kasi I wanted to give and they wanted to get ba what I was feeling. So it was really a good thing for me to have the cards. And I don't really read it that much. I just read it when I need it. Good. So, ayun, guidance.
Wow, thank you for that share and that honesty. This is what we're bringing in at the Midnight Unicorn Club, where you can just be yourself and be okay with that. So thank you for that share. Again, we have another question from an anonymous person. How to define my purpose? Ano ba ma-define?
Ang hirap, charet. Pang Miss Universe. Oh my.
Happy Bean. Real Sala.
Hello. Ako na-learn ako. Kung unsa tong thing na kanang murag interested kayo ka or you are really good at, go for it kasi that might be your purpose. For example, para sa ako, kanang sa una, sige ko isip, sa mga day ako ang purpose, dili man ko hawd og math, dili ko hawd og science, nga gusto unta ko mag-astronaut, pero unsa gid akong purpose, murag anak god. Nya mo to, na nakaingon sa ako, ay ako manghod ito. Ano siya na te, ano siya na sa ato ang tulo kanang murag ikaw lang ang kanang naay kanang unsa ni kanang naay buot ba nga kanang mag-take care sa parents, sa family, sa ako ang younger sisters. Mo to murag na-realize na ko, I'm good at taking care of people. So murag moto kanang murag gina-allow lang ako akong self na kanang to take care of people naturally like friends or family mga anak. So siguro moto ako ang isa sa ako mga purpose or something like that. So kanang kung sa to murag kanang ganahan kay ka murag kanang natural lang sa imong himuon. Moto siya.
Yay. Wow. I love that. About one of your clues in finding your purpose is actually something that you're very good at, that is easy for you, that is fun for you and that is light for you. So dali na kayo mga I mean, our answers are actually parang the same, but right now we're like, it's one way to know like divine purpose, who's gonna be your partner, is whether the person or whether your purpose is fun and light for you. If it's really fun and easy for you, it's not something you have to struggle on. So if it's a purpose that you're struggling with, maybe you have to, reassess, because a purpose is something that is very easy for you. That not easy, with ease for you. Oh, yeah, can be easy for you. Yes. So anybody would like to add to that?
Oh, charot ako na po. Kasi ako, as for me, never know your purpose, manggod. Kaya you play a different roles in different lifetimes because life is always changing. So, siguro you just have to keep on moving, do something that actually, kanang malipay ka ba? And then eventually you get to understand na, I'm so happy with this. So maybe this is my purpose, but you don't like stick yourself on that thing na, mo na jud ni ako ang purpose sa life, because there will always be growth in every stage sa atong life. So eventually mo lahi ra gyapon imong purpose, and the only thing siguro that you have to hold on to is you just grow every day, and dili ka mag-attach sa isa ka title nimo na ingani ko ana good. So you just be unattached of whatever, then just live as of today. What's today? Minsan na at today. And just stop thinking of things that hasn't happened yet. Because it's just maka-add mo siya worry. So just mo gani present ang today. Kay it's a gift for everyone. So stop thinking lang kaayo. It doesn't help. Ana lang.
Yes. Oh, I resonate with that. And the winner is Miss. I love that. Unicorn princess.
A lovely share.
Yes.
Yes, Jeannie.
Next, Silver Moon, do you have something to add? Shout out to Paulos Welto who's watching us, and is here. Sila Jason, they were also watching. You have something to add about that?
I agree with Libni. Just same pa rin sa destroying and then creating every day. What if your purpose in life is just to live one day at a time? So that is already a purpose. What if katong mga pagtuon nimo nga your purpose is to do this and do that? What if that those were just limitations, diba? Kasi if mahuman na to dito ra ka niya, what's next? So yeah, it's still destroying and then creating things every day. Just live one day at a time.
Yeah, or you can just also use the whole what's possible and available for me today.
Yes. Who am I today and what grand and glorious adventures am I going to have?
Yeah. One day you're a fairy pixie, the next day you're a moth. The next day silver moon.
And today I'm a unicorn.
Yeah.
I'm a silver moon unicorn.
So
Tonight,
it's really
today.
just don't lock yourself in one category. Like
Yes.
I'm gonna be this forever. So
You open ang good. You open to possibilities. Like for me before, I thought that may jud kong doctor and all those things. Kay nag-study ko. Then eventually life happened. Matuo man gud ka that there's always something for us. So I just opened myself to possibilities. I never dili na ko nag-overthink. I didn't label myself as ingani, and a lot of dagan kay nang abot na blessings pa. And one thing about that also is just always be grateful for everything. Kay dili ka mahutdan og di ka mahutdan og opportunities kung everyday ka grateful sa tanan. You don't question.
True.
Unsa di akong life purpose? I mean, that's normal ever since gamay pa ta. Unsa di what do you wanna be when you grow up? Antod ka naghapon ka, there's always change ba? So just live with what is now. For me sa akong mga natunan, just live with what is now, what is. And just don't fight it. Kay lisod. Ang good.
Yeah.
Be happy wherever you are, and then life will happen for you. And just let it be. Kagwapo sa itong story, oy.
Yes, like with Midnight ano pag yun voice, charot.
Ang
That's
sexy.
true. It's true. Gratitude.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Really.
that's all our questions for today here in the Fox Tribe page. No, I would like to say thank you to Darlene. She's been transcribing all our answers for everybody who's gonna review later. Who will watch our replay? Who did not stay up tonight with us? You know, get the snippets from all of you. So thank you all for the shares and really really lovely ang ato ang conversation tonight. It's
Yeah.
really lovely also to not be boxed in a topic also because we can just jump and jump and jump. And yeah, so do you have any announcements or plugs, guys, before we end our transmission? Transmission what again mga
Mm.
media.
Oh yeah, June 13, a dry run for June 14th meditation,
Ay,
World Peace Meditation. We encourage you to join us at 11:10 p.m. and our dry run is on June 13th. What time ganito? Itong dry run.
dry run. Oh my gosh, what time did 1 p.m.?
Yeah, we will just post an update about that. And then
We will have a dry run.
yes, there's another meditation that we need. Please help us do this on June 30th at 1:48 p.m. for Age of Aquarius Activation Part 2 in ano siya kaning during Jupiter Pluto conjunction. Please just we will keep you posted. Just follow Mystic Angels and Fox Tribe for that.
Yeah.
And
this will
Sunya Sundays every Sunday, 2:30 p.m. is Dr. Lin Shoujin and Tina and Darlene. What else?
So yeah, the meditation by the Sisterhood of
Hi,
the Road.
Maggie.
So yun, anybody would like to add more?
Also, Emotions Anonymous session every Saturday, 5 p.m. The Zoom link is in our Facebook page. And a few days before, we usually post there the topic. And we also post recaps of the previous sessions discussion. And if you know of someone who are emotionally overwhelmed as of the moment and they needed structure kumbaga to process their thoughts and emotions, so you can invite them. We're holding space for people who want to be emotionally well, or for those who just wanted to know more tools as well to strengthen their personal growth. Everyone is welcome.
Yay, thank you for that. So there's a lot of things going on online. So and there's a limit for you, even if whatever part of the world you're in or the country, the Philippines, you can really jump in on the tools that we are offering. The sessions that we're telling you are actually for free. So please, it's up to you now if you're gonna choose you this time by choosing these sessions. So just to give a
Also,
recap.
wait
Yes.
lang, napa ko i-add, i-plug. So if you are also interested about taking or practicing access bars, you can also contact us or Tina para mas, di ba we offer class, we are open na for classes, right? So just call us.
Yes, aside from classes, we're already also offering our services. So if you don't want to
Yes.
learn to do bars, if you want to get your bars run, we are actually offering that as well. And some of us here are already an Access Bars practitioners, and they can do na the bars for you. So just contact any any one of us, the person nearest you, no, we will endorse you to them because we have at least, ilan na ba tayo? Marami na kami practitioners here in Davao. And we have, yeah, one in Manila, si Avi Dubs in our team. So, what is bars? Zai, would you like to share?
Okay, bars is the 32 points in your head that is lightly touched. It uh it deals with money, creativity, sex life, or whatever, everything, health. So it clears it. When we run your 32 points bars, 32 bar points, those limitations that you had and you still have will be deleted like for a shaog computer. And the verse pinadiva Zayan. The last thing that can happen is like he gets a massage.
And the best
And the best thing is
is
that your whole life is being changed.
yawn. So, yes, we have so
Diyos ko, namata si Maggie, oy.
many awake, meaning it's a signal for us. So, yeah, Fanny is watching us, and hello to everybody who's watching us, who's still up, and both are awake. Ano na, to sleep na, I guess. So thank you so much to everybody who's here, and of course to our guests, and maybe you will be the mainstay na, whatever you want. We're just free flowing, and yeah. So happy saying ganahan kay ko kay also me. So thank you so much, everybody, and
Thank
yes, bye.
you.
Thank you.
Good
Bye.
night.
Thank you. Good night.
See ya. To
Good
real
night. Bye-bye.
night. So I'm gonna stop the live.